Hair loss began in my early 20s. I felt confident that the procedure would work. I feel there was no pressure in making a decision. It was basically an education, and basically my hair grew back very gradually and naturally. The results achieved were better than expected. I would recommend Dr. Bolton to anybody that I know. Be very honest about what their expectations could be. I came back today to thank Dr. Bolton and his staff. I felt the best of care. And
I was 22 when I noticed my first hair loss. My hair loss affected me with some loss of confidence. It affected me socially. I can honestly say that the result I got from Dr. Bolton was more than all the other 3 surgeries combined. Yes, I would recommend Dr. Bolton to others because less pain and a better result after one surgery. They have a nurse here who's really, really good. Dr. Bolton's, if I look through my hair, I could not see the scar line at all.
Especially I was like looking older, especially my girlfriend and other friends, they were like making jokes on me. My girlfriend, she was like, well, I'm serious, Jaime, you're getting bald, I mean, and you look like older. The surgery was like easy, it was fast. They was doing the surgery, I was like watching TV. He saw me with my new hair, so he was like, damn man, you look younger, you look better now, you know. This is the only loan payment that I do monthly with a smile on my face. This is the best investment that I do.
It's unbelievable, unmatched. I never experienced this type of work for this type of procedure. The 2 procedures were nothing compared to what he did in just one procedure. Literally 4 or 5 procedures, and still not even match this one procedure. He feels positive for himself too, because he wants to make other people happy as well too. I highly recommend it. Even if you're out of town, out of state, out of country, you go to a guy who knows what he's doing.
When I was about 46, I noticed that my hair had started receding. The whole thing, the whole experience was just excellent. I mean, it couldn't have been any better. It was almost an enjoyable experience. He really made the day a fun day. Nobody really noticed. This isn't even 6 months yet, and it's growing pretty fierce. I would definitely recommend Dr. Bolton to others. In fact, I already have recommended him to several people on my staff. And I'd like to thank the entire staff here. Everybody was absolutely brilliant.